Hey, what's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you for stopping by this video. And in today's video, again, we're going to be keeping it short. It is New Year's Eve. Today is Friday, December 31, 2021, the last day of the year. So we'll be going into 2022, and I just wanted to say thank you for people who have watched the videos, who have commented, who have engaged with me. Thank you so much. And I hope you do continue to make money online. If you have made money online from this channel, I appreciate you. Let me know what your experience has been. Let me know how these leads have helped or any other type of video I've posted. I've said that going into 2022, things will be looking a little different, right? But let's get into it. So for all my accountants or bookkeeping people out there, this is for you. So this is a remote position, but they're looking for someone within the United States. Most of the leads I've posted have been international because, let's face it, there are a lot of opportunities, I think, for people within the US, but there may not be as many for people internationally. And so I have focused on that because there are people that watch my channel who are not from the United States, who are not from Canada, and other developed countries like those, but they are highly skilled, highly talented, and they are looking for ways to work online. However, this particular lead is specifically a remote position, but US only, meaning you're not going to work from an office, or you're not going to work from the company's office, but you're going to work from another location within the United States. All right? You'll be a bookkeeper. You'll be a contract level or contract employee. You won't be full-time, but you'll be working from a mid-level position. Now, the name of the company is 1800Accountant, and they serve the accounting needs of startup companies. There are a bunch of startups all over the place, and these people need help, right? Usually it's a one-man or two-man team, three-man, four, and sometimes they are specialists in their field, but definitely not in accounting. So 1800Accountant is there to serve the accounting needs of startups, entrepreneurs, and small businesses by providing extraordinary service at an affordable price. We are a next-gen accounting firm focused on service and driven by technology. We support a growing number of small businesses across the US and pride ourselves on getting to know our clients and their business. Our team helps business owners focus on the passion they have for their business while we help them with their finances, creating a collaborative effort to help their business thrive. Our staff is rich with both seasoned accountants and new members, and we provide great growth opportunities. We are expanding our bookkeeping services department to accommodate the needs of our growing client base. We are looking to hire competent and personable remote bookkeepers with experience working with multiple clients in a business services environment. Now, these will be your responsibilities when you get hired. All right? You'll manage a portfolio of clients with various levels of complexity. You'll prepare monthly financial statements for clients, including monthly bank and credit card reconciliation. You'll collaborate with each client to obtain supporting documents. You maintain accurate ledgers by categorizing transactions to the correct accounts. Meet deadlines and client needs, including reporting. You'll prepare quarterly and yearly closing entries, build and maintain strong relationships with assigned clients, and you'll work on ad hoc projects assigned by manager. So ad hoc projects, if you don't know, are projects that kind of just pop up. Maybe a little balancing here, a little spreadsheet work here, some reconciliation there, stuff like that. Then again, I can't say for sure, because if a manager has a project that comes up and they need you to take care of it, they may assign that to you. Okay. I don't know what those projects might be because I am not a manager at this company myself. So, right? So I hope that's clear. Next, these are the qualifications you should have coming into this application. 3+ years of bookkeeping experience with QuickBooks, desktop and online, Gusto, Xero, and or other comparable platforms. Experience with Xero, comfortable with technology and other various platforms such as Microsoft Office, Skype, Zoom, VoIP, which is Voice over Internet Protocol, Google Suite, etc. Dedicated home office space, outstanding communication and collaboration skills with both clients and team members, ability to work under deadlines, can work independently with minimal supervision, be able to work 30 hours per week during the off season. More hours would be required during the tax season. Lastly, an exceptional customer service experience. Now, why 1800Accountant? Well, work with the country's largest virtual accounting firm. It's a flexible schedule. You work with cutting-edge technology and you get to join an engaging community of like-minded individuals. Now, if you're a bookkeeper and you are interested in applying for this role, even if you're not, and you know someone who might be interested in this role, send this link to them, send the link to the YouTube video to them, and have them watch the video all the way to the end. Then press this button. Press this button. The application will open up. You enter your information. And by the way, if you are having a bit of a challenge with your resume, cover letter, or anything like that, there's a helpful link in the description below that says try Canva. It's free to try, free to use. You just enter your name, email address to sign up, and you have access to thousands of templates for birthday cards, resumes, cover letters, CVs, Instagram posts, TikTok posts, a host of stuff. You want to create a planner, you have templates for planners, right? And it's all for free. So check that out. Also check out the other links in the description. Links like the first link in the description are very helpful because that teaches you how you can build your own online business that works even if you're not working. Okay? So check those out. All the best for the new year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Smash the notification bell. I'll see you guys next year. Stay safe. Peace.